Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you get car on your BlaBlaCar app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just come here to living from here. Can you choose here? Or can you just use your location? So I'm going to add here. Like this. So in this city here from Poland, and I'm going to choose here another city here. So I'm going to choose it here in this list. So then it's you click here on search, then it's going to search for us here to get if you want to get bus or carpool here. So here can you choose. So I have no bus in the carpool. But if you choose another another cities, can you find it on your BlaBlaCar app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.